Hi everyone, my name is Arina. So today I'm going to show you how to use AI replace by using AI material replace. Okay, so we are going to use replace material. First, I need to use any template or you can upload on your own. So here I'm just going to use the template. Okay, so let's say I'm using this one. Click select. Okay, and then I can replace material for any stuff here. So let's say here I want to focus on the carpet. So I have one carpet material. Okay, I upload one for my carpet material and I put naming, fill in the target name. So I say this one is carpet. Okay, and then I click generate. So the generation of my new carpet will work on it. So this one is the original image and this one is the processing image. So this one will take a while depending on the internet connection. Okay, so after you have done, you can see my carpet has replaced with the new material that I have uploaded to the texture here. Okay, so this one is original image and this one is my replace material. So that is how you use AI replace for replace material. That's all from me. Thank you.